Hey guys, I'm Joe, your drylin product specialist here in igus North America.
And I'm Dylan, low-cost automation engineer in igus North America.
And we're here to tell you a little bit more about the igus gantries, as well as the igus robot control. So here at igus, we offer 3 different styles of Cartesian robot gantries. They are belt-driven systems. The first is our 2-axis XY system. The next is our dual-axis XXY system, as you see here. And then the third is our XXYZ 3-axis Cartesian gantry. There's 3 different ways to order our igus gantries. The first is our pre-configured options. These can be found on our website. These are standard sizes that we have for each style of gantry, and they're ordered directly from stock here in Rhode Island. If different sizes are needed for those pre-configured options, we do have our fast lane gantries. This allows us for a quicker turnaround time on drawings, as well as quicker turnaround time to you as the customer. If you do need a custom solution for your application, please reach out to your local representative and they'd be happy to review the application with you to find the best igus solution for you. Now to tell you a little bit more about the igus robot control, here's Dylan.
Hi everyone, this is our igus robot control. It is our igus solution for all of our LCA projects. What we have here is the igus software, and then this is the control cabinet. In the cabinet, you'll find a motor driver, power supply, motor cables, as well as an emergency stop button. If your system already has a power supply, we can provide a DIN rail version, which is just a more simplified version with the hardware in it. And some add-ons that we provide are an additional 7 I/O ports to the 7 that are already in the cabinet, as well as a handheld controller, as you see at the other end of the table. It's very easy to connect this to a PLC system, an external PLC, and this is using a Microsoft-based system similar to Microsoft Office, so it's very familiar for a lot of people. And this is also a free software, which will be linked in the description below.
If you have more questions about the igus robot control or your igus gantry, please reach out to your local sales representative to schedule an application review or visit us at igus.com. Thanks for watching.